Alright y'all, so it's been quite some time since I filmed me putting together the pack system for my beauty room, but I did add this piece here, back here. It's from IKEA, of course. It is the Billy bookcase, and then I can't remember the name of the glass doors. If I remember, I will put it somewhere on the screen. But I did add these gold, just gold hardware for the handles, because it comes with like these wooden white handles, and I didn't like that. But these you can get from IKEA too. So yeah, that is the latest addition to my beauty room. And then I also added this little table here over here from IKEA, of course. Only reason why I got this little table is because I had this round glass table already from IKEA. I got this years ago, and I just added that on top of the table. And yeah, this is the pack system with some of my clothes in here. I have room for a lot more clothes. I just, you know, gotta wait to get my funds up so I can get some more clothes. But what inspired me to even get this was the simple fact that when I lost all that weight, I needed a completely new wardrobe. So I was like, you know what? I want a pack system. I've always wanted one. I just never had a place to put one. But I made a place, and I got the big one is, I believe, the 39 inches, I believe. And then the two smaller ones, they're like the 19-inch ones. So yeah, and then I added all the glass drawers and the solid drawers at the bottom, and I have my pull-out drawers here. I just have some belts right here right now. I don't really have, you know, a ton of stuff to put in there right now. This one is completely empty, and I love the way that they soft close like that. Love it. And then I just added this little bench right here to sit on while I'm putting together an outfit. I have somewhere to sit. It's actually really comfy. I got this from Amazon, and it's got the gold legs on it. I was looking for something to kind of match the gold hardware on the Billy bookcase. So nothing's changed over here, just the same old mirror I've had for years. And I've had this vanity for years. Everything was from IKEA except for the mirror. My Alex drawers, you know, nothing's pretty much changed over here. I did add that little shelf up there a while ago, and that's just like some clothes hampers right there. But yeah, that's my beauty room for right now. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else to it, because honestly there's no room for anything else. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna put in here yet to fill it up. Maybe some bags or something like that. And then I have this little shelf thing over here that I got from IKEA a long time ago. And that is it for the beauty room. If you have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments section. I will try to answer them. But I am in love with my pack system. And I forgot to show you the best part. Ta-da! Look at that. I had to put up some lights. It looks so good in here when it's dark, and I just turn on these lights. Like, you can really see. I don't know, it's just like a different mood, you know, for my beauty room. I got the lights from Amazon, and they're just rechargeable. They're attached with a magnetic sticker, so you know, you can take them down and then charge them with a USB cable. There's no batteries, because I didn't want to buy a whole bunch of batteries for these lights. And everything is controlled with this remote control here. I just, you know, leave it right there. I love it so much. So that's it for this vlog today, y'all. I will catch y'all in the next one.